Let's take a look inside the Science Chunks Year B bundle. Inside the Teacher's Guide, you'll find several pages with a quick look at what your year will contain. Then you'll find a deeper explanation of the components and the materials you'll need for the year. After that will be your units. Each one will have a lesson. In that lesson, you'll have information to read about science, do science, and write about science. Each one of the lessons will follow in the same pattern throughout the book. Then you'll reach the appendix, where you'll have all the templates and articles you'll need, along with a glossary and review sheets you can use with your students. Let's take a look inside the student notebook. The student notebook has all the notebooking pages you will need for each unit. At the back of the student notebook, you'll find a glossary with all the vocabulary terms covered in the year. If you choose the Printed Bundle Plus option, you'll also get the Lapbooking Templates. These templates include lapbook overview sheets for each unit and all the mini books you'll need to make a lapbook for each unit. Learn more at elementalscience.com.